Hey family, we're here at Nana's Chicken and Waffle. Okay, they say this is a spot, so Rich and I is gonna try it. If you've been here before, let us know if you think it's good, and let us know another place, breakfast spot in Georgia that we can try when we come back next time. Okay family, so this is what I have, banana Foster waffle. We also ordered the catfish with egg and grits. And then we have chicken wings. So it's a chicken and waffle, and then we get to pick which waffle we want. So there you go. This is our meal for our breakfast. We're gonna devour this food at Nana's.
So wherever you're in Georgia, Augustus, Georgia, come by. You already know the Georgia people already. You already know that. But this is a spot you have to come support. You know what it is already.
All right, family.
Woo.
Listen, we just finished eating at Nana's Chicken and Waffles in Augusta, Georgia. Oh my gosh.
Family. You already know. Black owned. So we gotta support our black owned. You feel what I'm saying? As we walk in that place, we felt welcome.
Very much
welcome,
The
family.
vibe.
The vibe was right. But shout out to our waitress, Jasmine. She was spectacular, awesome. She was great. Attentive, that's what the word is?
Attentive.
Very. She working on 4 tables, but she never left us out.
That's
Big
right.
up yourself, Jasmine. You know what I'm saying?
So the food itself is to die for.
Still sipping.
Still on some Coca-Cola. So when you walk in there, like Richie said, very attentive, very welcoming.
Yep.
You sit down, everyone is just smiling and bubbly.
That's right.
And it's not a huge restaurant,
yes,
but that's what we like.
Yes.
Because then you don't get lost in the translation, if that's a way to put it.
Yes.
So we ordered the catfish, as you guys saw.
Y'all gonna see, y'all nosy people. Y'all gonna see.
Y'all
gonna
see. We ordered the catfish with grits and eggs. And you know, we've tried grits before and we didn't really like it. We tried these grits. They were okay. Okay, so we're being honest. They were okay, but that's because we don't like grits like that.
Yes.
So you can't really take our word for it, okay?
Yeah.
Somebody who loves grits will appreciate it and know how good it is, but it was okay for us, right? Then we had the chicken and waffles. I had the banana Foster chicken and waffles. What did you have, my love?
I don't even know. I just know I had something with the
French
toast.
Chicken and waffles.
Oh, listen. That was bussin'. If you could have seen the plate, you know how we get down already.
But they saw the plate.
They did. No, after it was done.
Oh,
y'all didn't see after it was done.
It was done.
Jasmine was like, yo, y'all wasn't playing. We wasn't playing, you feel me? But everything was on point, seasoned.
Oh my God.
Shout out to the cooks. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
everybody in
the
there.
catfish was my favorite. My banana Foster waffles was freaking-licious. Okay? That catfish, somebody put their foot in that catfish. Okay? Now, between that catfish from Nana's and the catfish at Little Dizzy's in New Orleans, they're like this, y'all. They're like this.
Boy, listen what I'm saying. It was a great experience.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? As I said before, the food is delicious.
Delicious.
If you're ever in Georgia,
Augustus,
Georgia, right? Go check out Nana's Chicken and Waffle. All right?
Where are we going now? We're gonna go to the mall.
We'll probably go to the mall, go do some window shopping. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is.
We're not window shopping, they're for vacation.
First lady want to take all my money, you feel me? But with winter time, whatever first lady want, first lady get. You already know how we do it. What's the vibe? But other than that, we appreciate everybody. You know what I'm saying?
And we'll see you guys when we vlog some stuff in the mall.
Yeah.
All right?
Yes.
family, listen, I know we said that we was going to take you into the mall with us and show you around. We could not take you guys into the mall because why, my love?
As we walk to the front door, hey, no cap, this is the first mall I already see with what you call it, metal detectors as you walk in. And where was that again?
The Lennox Square Mall in Atlanta, Georgia. They had metal detectors and they told us, heifer, you cannot come up in here with that camera. And we're like, what? Can't vlog. You can take pictures, but you cannot vlog. So we couldn't take you inside.
So we couldn't take you inside. Sorry though, but first they got some stuff. You know how it is already. First you're always getting some stuff. I just window shop. You know how it is.
So we wanted to head back to the Airbnb and go chillax for a little bit. And then later on, we'll take you guys to this restaurant that I think you guys will appreciate. So Richie saw this homeless person on the street. And he's gonna give them some food and some money. It's a lot of homeless people in Atlanta, sadly, and it just breaks our heart to see them. There's another homeless person that asked for money. He gave it to them. Oh, hey family. So this is where we're at today, Stony River Steakhouse and Grill. This is our last stop before we go back home. Hopefully it's good. We heard some good things about it. And we'll let you see how it looks inside. Family, so I like the ambiance in here. The fireplace, we're sitting right in front of the fireplace. It's amazing. It does look very nice in here. It's popping, it's very lively. It's dark, so I can't really show you much. But when the food comes out, we'll show it to you, okay? Okay, family, so I got the lobster bisque as an appetizer. And then the hubby got the steak roll. It looks so good, guys.
Looks good.
I'm gonna devour this. All right, family, so this is what I have. This is called the Trio Filet Mignon with garlic mashed potato. And I have a side of broccoli. And Richie have the prime rib. Oh my gosh, with macaroni and cheese.
Wow.
And andouille, what is it? Ajou? Ajou.
What kind of sauce?
It's Ajou sauce, that's what I'm calling it. That looks very good.
Good to go.
All right, guys, we'll let you know how it tastes.
Whew.
Oh, family, that food was good.
That food was delicious, family, yo. My full family now, like, yo. The entree. So you call it, right?
The entree.
Oh my God! As y'all seen the picture, that right there alone, I wanted to leave right away, but I said nah. But yo, Atlanta was a good look. We'll be back. Trust me.
When we sit down and we eat, we'll tell you guys more about our experience.
Yes.
We can go in great details and tell you guys what restaurants was good, what restaurant that we went to was not that good, and so on and so on. But we had a great time. We hope you guys had a great time following us because we know so you guys nosy. Very
nosy. You know what I'm saying? Wavy Richie in the building. I'm trying to get them waves. You know what I'm saying? Tell me how I get some waves. I never had waves before. You know what I'm saying? Put some S girl. No, real cat. But we appreciate y'all for riding with us. We took you to ATL. Now it's about time to end the trip. Yep, we're going home now, guys. Right. See you guys next time in the MUKBANG. Bye.